Welcome back to my channel. Pasukan na guys! Feel mo na ba or feel mo pang magbakasyon? Alam ko, gustong-gusto nyong malaman ang mga ways on how you're going to make your first day in school enjoyable and remarkable. So let's have this video. Unahin natin yung mga do's. Number 1, come early to school. Syempre, bawal na bawal malate sa unang araw ng pasukan. Kasi ito rin yung araw guys na hindi kayo sure kung nasaan yung building, nasaan yung room, and of course, there are plenty of hesitations. Kaya mas maganda na maaga kang dumating para maaga mong mahanap at maaga mong masigurado na yun nga ang inyong classroom. Kasi baka mamaya, ma-shoot ka sa ibang classroom na nandun ka na for 30 minutes and all of a sudden, nalaman mo na nagkaroon pala ng adjustments at wala ka sa room ng iyong first class. Number 2, eat breakfast at home. At home guys ha, hindi sa school or hindi somewhere else. Kasi mas magandang ready ka sa unang araw na yon ng pasukan. Definitely mahalagang may energy ka, hindi ka nahihilo, hindi ka inaantok kasi you don't know what's going to come before you on that day. Baka ang nakalagay, 2 ang magkasunod, yung pala 3 subjects ang magkasunod. So maganda na yung may energy ka for the day. Remember, it will be a long day. Number 3, bring quick fix. As I have mentioned, baka marami kayong gagawin sa araw na yon, maraming sunod-sunod na activities, at syempre, nandun ka sa stage of adjustment, baka iniisip mo katulad pa ng dati, mas magaan. Ngayon, syempre, the higher you go up to the ladder of your education, mas maraming challenges, at mas maraming chances na magutom ka. So, bring quick fix, kasi baka malayo ang canteen if you're planning, you're just going to buy. Nako, baka malayo yung canteen, maglalakad ka pa, hanapin mo pa siya. Unlike if you have it in your bag, you have the cookies there, you have the biscuits there, you have the drinks there, so everything is ready and you're okay. Number 4, prepare your things the day or the night before. Syempre, iba yung feeling ng organized. Ang hirap kapag first day in school, tapos feeling disorganized ka. So, magandang nandun na yung mga kagamitan mo para wala kang hinahanap. And of course, do not forget your cellphone. Kasi ito rin yung araw na gumagawa ng mga group chat or GCs sa inyong mga subject. Bawat subject actually, kaya magandang dala mo yung mga kagamitan mo, kompleto as much as possible. So, huwag kang mag-isip na, maliit lang na bag ang dadalhin ko. No, bring a bag that's quite practical na lahat ng gamit mo ay nandoon. Number 5, look presentable or have that presentable look. What do I mean? So, syempre, hindi naman tayo attend ng party, kaya yung get-up natin, hindi pang party. It should be academic-ish. Ano yun? Yung decente, presentable. Avoid natin yung plunging necklines. Avoid natin yung mga ripped jeans. Kundi, nandun tayo sa academic side kind of attire. Number 6, ready your phone. Nowadays, guys, kailangan yung phone kasi means talaga yan ng communication. Means din yan ng ating mga references. So, have it charged, full charged. Have it in a silent mode kasi baka mamaya kung kailan nagkaklase na ay biglang may tumawag tapos hindi ka naka-silent mode. Wow, just imagine the scenario. Another of course is turn off your alarms kasi baka may alarms ka pa doon na hindi naman kailangan. So, paki-off mo na yon kasi baka mamaya in the midst of the discussion ay tumunog ang alarm mo. You don't want to be in that kind of situation, I'm pretty sure. Number 7, prepare an active email. So, certainly, kailangan tong email address natin. Be sure na yung iyong email ay merong academic touch or professional touch. Avoid natin yung mga email address na merong amat, stigas, astig, cutie pie, or anything. As much as possible, it should be your name para madaling malaman na sa'yo yung email na yon. Number 8, bring 1x1, 2x2 photos. Ano pa, yung index card at saka yellow pad. So, there are cases really na yung teachers ay nanghihingi ng 1x1 or 2x2 pictures kasi kailangan nila to as instant reference for recitation. Halimbawa, marami kayo sa klase, malaking bagay na kilala ka ng iyong guro. So, don't forget to bring 1x1, 2x2, at magdala ka na rin ng index card at saka yellow pad kasi kailangan talaga yan sa first day in school. Okay, those are the do's guys. Punta naman tayo sa don'ts. Ito yung mga wag na wag na wag. Wag mo nang subukan guys kasi hindi mo alam, baka maging very unforgettable moment ito ng buhay mo. Number 1, don't miss the first day in school. What do I mean? Don't be absent. Kasi ito yung araw na, of course, nandyan yung syllabus, nandyan yung lesson plan. Lahat yan, dinidiscuss yung mga class policies. Especially if you plan to be an honor student, nandyan din, dinidiscuss yan sa unang araw. Plus, of course, it sets the direction for the whole semester or the whole school year. Kaya huwag kang mawawala. Nandyan binibigay yung unang lesson or yung lesson introduction. Dyan din binibigay yung mga unang sets ng homework or assignment. So maganda yung, alam mo yon na ready ka. Kahit alam mong gusto pang magbakasyon ng mind mo, ng isip mo, mahalagang nandun ka sa unang araw ng pasukan. Number 2, don't be shy. Baka sabihin nyo, ma'am, ang daling sabihin. Actually, ang dali rin niyang i-try. I-try mo talaga na huwag kang mahiya. For example, kailangan mong magtanong, saan yung room 205? Kesa ikutin mo yung buong building, magtanong ka na, huwag ka nang mahiya, magtanong ka na. So, it's a skill also that you combat your shyness. Okay? Number 3, don't loiter in the hallways. One thing, it sets a bad impression. Kung ito yung room mo at sure ka na, doon ka na sa loob ng room maghintay sa mga kaklase mo at sa mga guro mo. And while waiting, you can do a meaningful something. What do I mean? Magbuklat-buklat ka na, magbrowse ka na, kung ano yung subject na yun, magbasa ka na ng initial idea about it para alam mo yon, baka magtanong yung teacher mo, what do you know about purposive communication? Meron ka nang maibibigay, meron ka nang idea. So, ang ganda-ganda ng iyong first day in school. Number 4, don't play games. Okay, if you're into gaming, wag muna po. Kasi ito yung chance mo to interact. Ito yung chance mo to make friends. So, your gaming will make you somehow isolated. Kaya wag mo na muna siyang gawin, wag mo siyang i-prioritize sa araw na ito. Make some connections, build some connections. Number 5, don't be pessimistic. Ma'am, ano po yung pessimistic? Ito yung mga negative thinkers. So avoid negative thinking. Tingnan mo kung ano yung maganda sa paligid mo. Huwag kang magreklamo. Ay, ang dami naman namin. Ay, walang aircon. Ay, ano ba yan? Pasukan agad. Gusto ko pang magbakasyon. Remember, you have to embrace the leveling up of your education into another year level. So, welcome it with a positive mindset. Maganda yun na kahit alam mong mainit, edi magpaypay. Plus, alam mo na ito yung papunta sa iyong career. Ito yung moment na, alam mo yung ang lapit-lapit mo na sa gusto mong maging. Kaya, maging positive thinker talaga tayo. Iba syempre, ang positibo ang pag-iisip. Maraming nakakayang gawin. Meron pa bang do's and don'ts sa pasukan na hindi ko nabanggit? Comment nyo na guys sa comment section down below para mas maraming mga kabataan, mas maraming mga learners ang makaalam. Okay, thank you so much. Sana nakatulong sa inyo ang lesson video na ito. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more lesson uploads, practical tips, and anything educational. Have fun learning!